darling students, welcome to fun learning and entertaining session. We have already learnt about phonic sounds of alphabets A to G, and today again we are going to learn few more phonic sounds of alphabets H to I. So this is the phonic sound session part 2. So friends, don't skip the video and watch it till end, because if you skip the video then many things will be missed out, right? And one more thing is, if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon to get instant notification. So let's get started. A says ah, ah, ah. B says b, b, b. C says k, k, k. D says d, d, d. E says e, e, e. F says G says G, G. Now the next letter is H. H comes after letter G. This is letter H. H says, children, hold a hand in front of your mouth and panting as you are out of breath, and say, so let's sing the phonic song of letter H. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. So H says, H for house. House. H for hammer. Hammer. H for hat. Hat. H for hand. Hand. Now the next letter is I. I says E. This is letter I. Children, pretend to be a mouse by wiggling your fingers at the end of the nose like whiskers and say squeak, 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 squeak. Children, do you know I have a pet mouse? The name is Inky the Mouse. Let's sing a beautiful song on Inky the Mouse. I for Inky. Inky. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the decks. Inky is wet. So I for Inky the mouse. I for iguana. Iguana. I for insects. Insects. I for ink and ink pot. Ink and ink pot. I for igloo. Igloo. Now the next letter is J. J says J. This is letter J. Children, pretend to be verbal like jelly on the plate and say J, J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. So J says J. J, J. J for jam and jelly. J, J, jam and J, J, jelly. J for joker. J, J, joker. J for jeep. J, J, jeep. J for jug. J, J, jug. Now the next letter is K. Everyone make a kite with the help of your fingers and pretend that you are flying a kite in the sky. K says K, K, K. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. So K says K, K, K. K for kite. K, K, kite. K for king. K, K, king. K for kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. K for key. K, K, key. Next letter is L. L says L. This is letter L. Everyone pretend that you are holding a lollipop and you are licking. L. L. So children, to remember the sound of letter L, let's sing a beautiful phonics song. So pretend to lick a lollipop. L. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. L, 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 L. We lick a lollipops. L. L. Yummy, yummy. I like to eat lollipop very much. Do you like to eat lollipop? Yes. So everyone, again, lick your lollipop like this. L. So L says L. L for lollipop. L, L, lollipop. L for lion. L, L, lion. L for lemon. Lemon. L for lamb. Lamb. So now children, let's recall the phonic sounds of alphabets A to I along with action. A says I says E, E, E. J says J, J, J. K says K, K, K. L says L, L. Now we are going to enjoy a beautiful alphabet song. So let's begin. A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for bat, bat, bat. C is for camera, camera, camera. D is for drum, drum, drum. E is for egg, F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. H is for house, house. I is for insect, insect. J is for jam, jam. K. K is for kite. 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 L. L is for lollipop. 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 So many letters and so many sounds. We have to learn and sing them along. This is our alphabet song. Yes, this is our alphabet song. So children, I am sure that today you have enjoyed very much, right? So keep practicing. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.